good morning, my lovely viewers. How y'all doing today? Thank God it's Friday. Boy, the days are moving fast. It's already Friday. Boy, the weekend is here, boy. You already know, baby, your boy checking in. BZ, Mr. Black Law, Mr. Grab It and Bag It. Stake it till you break it. Dash it and stash it. Wiggy money. You already know, baby. So many ways to grind will never stop on my mama. Always about the bag. Let's secure the bag. Let's get paid. Let's get into it. Guys, you're going for 100 likes on this video. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. So every time I drop a video, you going to be the first to watch it. Let's get into it, guys. So today's topic, you guys going to like this, you know. If you ever got into an accident, are you going to tell your insurance you're doing food delivery? I know the answer going to be, I know I'm going to get a lot of no's, no. So one of my viewers said he got into an accident and mistakenly, I'm sure he mistakenly told insurance he was using his personal car to deliver food. He got a full coverage. They said they're not going to cover it, cause, you know, he was using his car for food delivery, you know, his personal car for food delivery, you know. He made a big mistake. I think it's a slip of tongue, man, because nobody will intentionally tell the insurance they're using your personal car to do delivery, you know. You got to have a commercial and personal, separate, two separate ones, you know. I got Geico. I pay over $400 because I got a bad driving record. You know, I admit it, you know. So I got to be careful out here on the streets, you know, because they're always increasing my insurance because they say I'm a risk, you know. Driving Uber and Lyft, you know, they tell you that you covered. But as soon as you get into an accident, they tell you to call your insurance. It's crazy how these Uber rides and stuff works. But with a food delivery, you know, you got to have a commercial. You know, a lot of commercials out here. You got to get a commercial on your car and a personal one. And if you have liability, it's a whole nother ball game. You know, you got to pay out of pocket. If it is your fault, if the accident is your fault, you got to pay out of pocket. Because your insurance is not going to help you. The only time if it's your fault, they're going to fix the other party's car. They don't care about you. You gotta come out of pocket, you know. So you got to be careful out here, man. But the problem is, if you, what's it called? You know, when you get into an accident, you have a whole lot of stuff going through your mind. You don't think straight, you know. If the police show up, you're scared. You know, the police wasn't there. They're all here. They're just there to get you information. You don't have to tell them you were delivering food. You know, you don't have to tell nobody. Sometimes, you know, we all human. You make a mistake, you tell them, I was delivering food. That's what the police is going to put in the report. And most of the time, if it's not a major accident, you know, if your car is not messed up or it's just a bumper to bumper, they're going to tell you to just exchange information. Usually when I get into an accident, I never call the police. You know, it's always the other party that calls the police. Because I just want to exchange information, you know, and call your insurance, or you call my insurance, and they're going to take care of it. That's what insurance is for, you know. But you always got to have a witness, you know. Go by what two of y'all are saying is never, especially if the other party is saying it's your fault and you saying it's their fault. You got to have a witness. You always got to have a witness. One thing I learned about having an accident, you always got to have a witness, because that's the only way the insurance, because it's up to the insurance to decide. The insurance is not going to go by what the police is saying, because the police wasn't there when the accident happened. The insurance, they're going to make the final decision. So you always got to have a witness. You know, the witness is the key for your accident. You know, you got to take pictures. Of course, you got to take pictures and all that stuff. But the witness is your key. So if you ever got into an accident, make sure you get a witness. At least 2 witnesses is good. You feel me? And also, you know, I want to know from you guys. You ever got into an accident? I mean, you're doing food delivery, you're driving around, you're going to get to an accident. You know, I'm not saying you should get into an accident, but you're going to get to an accident. It's just bound to happen. It's just how it goes, you know. What do you do if you get into an accident? Are you going to tell your insurance you're delivering food. And whether you're using full coverage or you're using liability, you know. With my old car, I used to use liability because I didn't want to pay. I had to pay like $200 just for liability, you know. If you got a good driving record, you know, some people pay like $80 like 6 months because they got good driving record, you know. Don't be going out here speeding, getting speeding tickets, you know, accident, you know. Because it's going to cost you. Trust me, it's going to cost you. It's costing me right now for full coverage $400, you know. It's crazy. Because what can I do? Because I got a bad record, you know. I'm working on it now. Now I got a +1. I want to move it up to +5. That's the highest it can go. So, guys, we got to be careful out there if we're delivering. You're using your personal car, you know, you got to be careful. I know people going to say it's fraud. Ain't nothing fraud. It's personal and business, you know. It's your personal car. You just happen to use it as business, you know. But if you're doing that rideshare and stuff, you know, putting people in your car, you know, your insurance definitely going to go up if they find out, you know. They really ain't going to trip about food. You know what I mean? They're still going to trip if you're using your personal car for food delivery. Some insurance, if you got good driving record, they might let you use it for food delivery, just for food delivery. I don't know. I'm not sure. You know, I might be wrong. They would tell you to get a commercial. You're safer that way with a commercial insurance. So what do you guys think about this guy telling his insurance, you know, he was using the food, he's using his car for delivery, and now they say they're not going to cover. Of course, I'm not sure if they're not going to cover the other cars too. I don't know. If they say they're not going to cover the other party, I mean, he said it was the other party's fault, so they don't have to cover the other party, you know. I'm not sure if the other party's insurance is going to cover this guy's car, you know. Because I think he was calling insurance to, you know, fix his car so that his insurance can go to the other party and get that money. That's how it usually works, you know. If you have full coverage, your insurance is going to fix your car. If it wasn't your fault, your insurance is going to fix your car and they're going to go to the other party and get their money back. But if it was your fault, they're going to fix your car and fix the other party car. If you have full coverage, if you have liability, you know how it go, you know. You're going to fix the other party, you got to come out of the pocket if it's liability, you know. I feel sorry for this guy. Hopefully, you know, he get his car fixed, you know. Insurance fix it or the other party fix it, since he's saying it wasn't his fault, you know. How do you guys feel about it? Let me know in the comment section, man. If you get into an accident, what do? Do you tell the police you know you delivering food? I'm not gonna tell nobody. I got into an accident a couple times. I ain't telling nobody nothing. You know, I'm sure it was a slip of tongue, man, because nobody's gonna tell the insurance they're using your car for a delivery. You know, it was a slip of tongue. He made a mistake. Fine. You know, moving forward, you know, you gotta be careful. You just gotta be careful driving out here, speeding and stuff. You know, don't speed for nobody. That's why I always tell you guys, don't speed for nobody. I don't care who you are. You know, you want to get into an accident, now your insurance and stuff gonna go up. You gotta deal with it for just like $5, $6 offer. It's not worth it, guys. It's not. So I hope you have a good weekend. God bless everybody. Let's spread the love around the world. You know, none of that low office, none of that low ball office. You know, you out the back, secure yourself. And also, I got a top dasher, man. DoorDash sent me a congratulations saying I'm a top dasher now. I can dash anytime I want, even though if my area is gray, I can still dash. I'm going to be getting more deliveries, more money in my pocket, man. Keep your ratings up. Keep your completion rating up. And you can be a top dasher too, man. Let's go out here and secure this bag. Let's keep paying for our family and, you know, and our loved ones. Man, people depend on me, and we got to get to that bag. I hope you have a good one. We going for 100 likes on the video, man. Y'all have a good one. Peace out. God bless. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this guy telling the insurance he's using his car for delivery. Y'all have a good one. Peace out. Let's get it. Strong.